Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook we are taking a whole bunch of fresh watermelon juice and a few of my other favorite juices. We're gonna throw in a little bit of vodka, not too much, just a little, a little splash, and we are making watermelon cocktail perfect for this time of year. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start with a whole bunch of chopped watermelon. I got one of those little personal size watermelons and it was perfect. Go ahead and chop it on up, dump it into a blender because we need some watermelon juice. So go ahead and place that lid on and we're gonna blend. This happens really quickly because it's mainly just water, so it's like so effortlessly. All right, that looks great. Okay, so remove that lid and now we're gonna strain it, pour it into a strainer because you don't wanna have any of the pulp in there. You wanna make sure that it's just pure, the juice part. And you can use a rubber spatula to kind of help press the juice through, but don't press it too hard because you're gonna push that pulp down there. We don't want to do that. We don't want any of the watermelon pulp going through. So very, very gently, And now I'm just going to double strain it again. I want to make sure that it is just pure juice. And as you can see, there's some watermelon pulp. Is it called pulp? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? There's still some in there. So double straining it works perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this to my serving pitcher. This is a lot of watermelon juice. Okay, you only need about 3 cups. You're gonna have more watermelon juice left over. I think this made like 4 cups. Okay, now we're gonna add in our pineapple juice. You can use fresh pineapple juice if you fancy. I'm using this little can. It worked just fine. And then we're gonna pour this pineapple juice in there. And if you want to switch it up, you can use orange juice. But let me tell you, watermelon juice and pineapple juice, and then this sparkling white grape juice. Yes, I love these 3 together because watermelon juice can kind of taste weird with other juices, and I just like these together. All right, so now we're gonna add in a little bit of vodka. You can totally leave this out. You can replace the vodka with some soda. You can add more vodka, less vodka, just whatever tickles your fancy. I'm going to stir this on up, and now I'm going to add some sweetener because you have to. It's like really not, really sweet, and I want sweet. So I'm going to add in a little bit of powdered sugar. If your watermelon is like sweet, you might can get away with adding just a tiny bit of sugar, but yeah, when you add sugar, it just wakens everything up. Then I'm going to chill this. Okay, now when you're ready to serve it, give it a stir because the watermelon juice does separate, so you want to stir it before you serve it. Pour it over ice. You can garnish it with watermelon slices, lime, but you have a nice, fresh, cold drink for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.